Hello, my name is Keysha Styles and I work for the City of Austin Parks and Recreation Department. I am a recreational program instructor and my enrichment program is called Challenging Kids to Cook. My whole base of my program is to teach children about healthy ingredients in their kitchen without losing any of their cultural background. I also help with teaching children how to eat vegetarian and vegan meals without even noticing. So this may be a very great idea to do at home with your kids, because once kids are involved with cooking, they're most likely to eat what they have cooked or have prepared. So today we're going to be making ice cream. This is Texas, the summer months are coming and it's going to be very hot and possibly we won't be able to leave our homes not anytime soon. So today we're going to be making a mixed berry type of sorbet. I'm actually using mixed berries. I have blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries here frozen. And here's the bag that it comes in. It comes from Sam's. You can go anywhere to buy frozen fruit. It doesn't have to be a specific store. I also have, I usually use fresh lime, but I don't have any fresh lime, so I have concentrated lime juice. I'm only going to probably use a few tablespoons of this. As well as we're going to use a little bit of honey for the sweetness. I'm going to use a few tablespoons of just local Texas honey, nothing expensive or extravagant. And I'm also going to use coconut milk for this. This is more of a vegetarian type dish, or you can make it vegan without using the honey. So this is just basic coconut milk I bought from a local store here. At home, feel free to buy any brand of coconut milk you choose. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get started. This recipe is very easy. So I have about 3.5 cups of frozen berries. I'm just gonna add them to my mixing blender. Be careful there, you will make a mess. Get this out of the way. Accidents do happen, but we're well prepared. I'm gonna wipe this up. Clean as we go, clean as we go. It is very important. Also, I forgot to mention, wash your hands for at least 20 seconds before you get prepared, before you start preparing. You want to put soap in your hands, go back and forward. You want to hit the back of your hands like this, go to the other side of your hand, get the inside of your palms and your fingernails. Don't forget your thumbs on both sides for at least 20 seconds. Rinse and dry off with a clean towel before you begin preparing any food. Okay, so I have my berries in here. I'm gonna kind of, making a mess here. Put this in here. I have my cup. This is actually, I'm gonna use the whole can. This is about 13.5 fluid ounces of coconut milk. I'm gonna use the whole thing. I'm gonna pour all this mixture in here, all this coconut milk in here. As much as you can, okay. Next, I'm going to add in about a tablespoon or 2 of honey. If you do not want to add honey, that is absolutely fine. You don't have to. You can use something that's a little bit more plant-based. So I'll probably use about 1 tablespoon of honey right there. So next I have my lime juice, concentrated, frozen. And I think this would help with the consistency of keeping it frozen. I didn't think about that until once I decided to use it. So it's kind of frozen. Just a little bit liquid. Not gonna use all of this, maybe about a quarter of it. So not that much. So about that much is missing. So that is perfect. Now we have all our ingredients in here. In our blender and our Ninja. I'm actually gonna use a Ninja. So you can use any blender you have at home. It doesn't have to be a Ninja. You have a basic hand blender, a mixer at home, that is fine. Make sure your top is secure before you turn on your blender. It's on, it's locked. I'm gonna power it on. I'm gonna start on a low speed first, just to make sure I incorporate all the ingredients in the Ninja. I'm gonna start on one that's gonna get loud. Just give me a few seconds. I also listen for the sound while it's blending. So when the sound becomes a little bit lower, then I know to speed up my mixer to kind of make sure that everything smooths out. I really don't care for chunks in my ice cream, but if you like chunks of fruit, you blend it for the time that suits you. So now I'm going to go to number 2. saying that this has a consistency of a smoothie. So it's kind of runny right now. So I have a metal bowl. I'm gonna pour this in. Or you can pour it actually in any bowl you have. It doesn't have to be in a bowl like this in the freezer. If you have popsicles, where you can pour it in the popsicles and stick the sticks inside of the popsicle holder and place in the freezer, that's great as well for children or for anyone. With the summer months coming, we're gonna need something very cool. Okay, so now everything mixed together. It smells really great. The berries, everything smells really great. All right, put this back together, set this up here. So to have a really great frozen ice cream, you want to place this in the freezer for at least 3 hours, or overnight is just as will be even better. So I'm going to place this in the freezer for a few hours, and I'll be right back to show you the finished product. Okay, now we've let our ice cream sit in the freezer for a few hours. It's not mold all the way, but pretty much for me. So it has consistency that looks like this, so it's pretty much frozen. You can make this ice cream any way you want. You don't have to have a fancy blender if you don't have one. You can actually make this. If you have 2 Ziploc bags, you will need a quarter bag and a gallon bag. You can place your mixture in the quarter bag. Once you've combined all your ingredients, sealed, make sure that it's sealed. The larger bag, your gallon bag, you can add ice and rock salt into the bag. Place your quarter bag inside. Make sure that it's sealed tight and closed, and kind of shake it all together. That works just as well making homemade ice cream, and it's actually fun because you can pass it around if you have other people in the house. Kind of shake it up to help speed up the process of making your ice cream. You can also make your mixture, and if you have popsicle molds, you can pull them inside of your popsicle molds, and you can have your popsicle on your popsicle stick. So there's many ways to make this. There is no one correct way. Just you can be creative. You can add any ingredient that you choose. You can add any milk or the frozen fruit that you choose. So you can make this your own. Be very creative with this. So I have my ice cream scoop, and just gonna go ahead and take a little bit, and as you can see, everything looks very good. So I can't wait to taste this. Have your ice cream scoop, there you go. This was very easy to make. I hope you guys have a lot of fun making this at home. It was my pleasure to show you. The next video will be coming soon. I'm gonna try to have as many videos about the springtime, using springtime vegetables and also edible flowers as well into your salads or whatever dish you choose to make. My name is Keysha Styles. This is Challenging Kids to Cook. Thank you for joining me. Have a great day.